Hey everybody, my name is Faith and this is my channel Traveling with Faith, where I talk a lot about travel and I do review videos and talk about mom stuff now that I'm pregnant. And that leads me to today's video. I am going to be reviewing Stitch Fix's maternity clothing. It's time for me to start looking for maternity clothes, and there are not really a lot of options where I live. Actually, I have not been able to find maternity clothes at all where I live. So that is what led me to Stitch Fix. We're gonna open this box and I'm gonna show you all what I got from Stitch Fix's maternity section. So as normal, they do send you this like return little thing for whatever clothing that you don't like. You can just send it back to them. I am again going to just post that link down below if you guys want. I think it's like $25 worth of credit, which should cover the styling fee. So basically for my Stitch Fix, I specifically requested maternity clothing, and I also said that I wanted clothing that could transition not with maternity. I'm also mostly going to be pregnant in the fall winter time. So the first thing are these skinny jeans. They are $48. Actually, I feel like that's a pretty good price for Stitch Fix. Oh, so these are the ones that cover your belly. I don't really love the ones that cover your belly. I just don't find them comfortable. We'll still try them and see what they are like. They feel okay. They definitely feel super soft. Like, these don't feel like jeans. These are leggings basically. Maybe they are leggings. Nope, they don't call them leggings, they call them jeans. No, these are not jeans, these are leggings. The second thing I got is this sweater, cardigan, just kidding. This one is $44 and it's just a basic beige cardigan. I do like it. It feels pretty lightweight. I don't think it would like really keep me warm for a cold winter, but it's probably more like a fall. I do like it. Yeah, I have a lot of cardigans, so I'm not sure I need a cardigan. So the third thing I got is nursing knit. This one's $54. This is the most expensive. This is a dress. Ooh, this is actually really kind of cute. I kind of like this dress. So it has like little, I don't know, like flowers, weeds, something that flies away in the wind. I don't know, but it's really cute, very soft. Stitch Fix's clothing that they use is very soft. And I can actually see me wearing this like without being pregnant. Okay, the next one, this is $38. So this is just a short sleeve shirt and it's like fall colors. And yeah, it's pretty stretchy, very soft. I actually am wearing a maternity shirt right now from Target that is like pretty much the same on the side. I feel like they're the same shirt, but this one's maybe a little bit better quality. So yeah, that's pretty nice for fall, winter, and I guess you would wear that probably with like the cardigan. It would be perfect with. Okay, and then the last thing we got is this shirt that is $48. And this is cute. I do like the color green, and it has these like little buttons that are kind of flimsy. I feel like these would probably, I'd be a little bit nervous about these coming off in the wash. But yeah, they're pretty nice, and it's again very stretchy, can grow with my belly, and also possibly just be used without pregnancy. So yeah, very nice. The total for everything that I just showed you is, if I were to buy it all, it would be $174, which I am somebody who's like, I bargain and I buy things that are like $20 or less, and there's nothing on this list that is $20 or less. Okay, so I really wanted to try on the clothes actually, just to give my final review, because sometimes things don't look great on out of the box, but then you try them on and they feel nice. So let's try them on. Okay, so I'm trying on the green sweater, and now that I've tried it on, I stinking love it. It is so stinking comfy and really soft, and it goes all the way down. It's very stretchy. I feel like I would wear this, so I think I'm gonna keep this one. Okay, so next that I'm trying on is the maroon shirt and the cardigan, and I really love this combo together. I would definitely feel like I would wear this even if I was not pregnant. I mean, it's a little bit long for not being pregnant, but yeah, I really love these colors. These are perfect for fall, so they're getting me. Okay, next thing I'm trying on are the maternity pants, and I've got to say, I have some maternity pants from Amazon that I bought, and I guess maybe the reason I don't like them is that they don't fit me perfectly, but these ones fit me so well. So I actually surprisingly might keep these, even though they're not the kind of maternity pants I want. I feel like they fit a lot better than the maternity pants that I got at Amazon. So here's what they look like. They have like a little thing like this, and yeah, I'm like about 5'2", so it's really hard for me to find pants that fit, and these just fit like a glove. Okay, the last thing that I'm trying on is this dress that I really like. I don't think I like love some of the colors on it, but it fits really well. I feel like it's kind of that like feminine, girly type of thing. I'm not sure. I don't know if I like love the dress. Okay, so now that I've tried on all the clothes, my kind of final review of this Stitch Fix box is that I really like the clothes. I didn't really love them coming out of the box, but I like how they fit, and I like some of the colors. If I were to not pick anything, I probably would say this dress. I like it, but it's like, I don't think the color is amazing. And then also the green sweater. I did like that sweater, but then after I did the video, I looked again at the top part with the buttons, and the buttons are just kind of cheap. I'm not really sure if I'll keep that one, but I do love the fit. But I think that this is pretty solid if you're looking for an option to find maternity clothes and you don't have a lot of options near you like me, or you just want to see what else is out there, then definitely give Stitch Fix a try. And I will post a little link down below where you can sign up and get I think it's like a $25 credit, which should cover the styling fee. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more things about unboxing videos or motherhood and maternity and traveling. I think now that I'm about to have a child, I feel like this video is going to also be a little bit more about traveling with kids. So yes, it was nice seeing you guys again. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.